In the Thirroul area, a frequent yet critical issue that homeowners face is worn or broken cables on their garage doors. These essential cables, responsible for lifting the door smoothly, can fray or snap over time due to wear and tear. When this happens, the door may not operate correctly, potentially leaving your car trapped inside or exposing your home to security risks. Don't let broken cables disrupt your routine or compromise your safety. Act now and call our team of qualified professionals at 0409774111 for expert garage door repair services. We're here to ensure your garage door is safe and fully functional. Call today.